Now we are taping all the edges, floor of course, that we get a nice edge, and remove also the electric parts, covers. And here we are, all around covered, covers removed. And, well, let's see how it goes now. Now we're painting white all around the edges, everything covered, and later we can go over with a brush, with a roller. And yeah, so it looks at the moment, and we're going all the way around. Then we make a big area. Now paint it once. Let's see how it dries out, how it looks then. I needed to remove the tape. The quality was not so good. If I would kept it longer, the edge wouldn't look so nice like now. This is what I wanted to get, and it looks good. Just incomplete. We see the shadow of the outer painting and inner painting, but this is quite normal. So probably I will paint one more time after it's dried, and then it looks quite neat, I would say. It looks already much better than with the beige old wallpaper. Just once over and it looks totally different. So after one day, it's not so good dried, or it's well dried, but the paint is not so good covering the walls and ceiling. Ceiling is better than the walls, but as you can see, we need to do it one more time. I always forgot to make a video how I paint. And yes, this is now the second layer. And yeah, I use only a small roller because I didn't get a better, bigger roller. But it's okay, it takes a little bit longer, but that is fine. Second time painted, looks much better now. Just need to dry, and now I can remove all the cover material. Looks good. Nice edge. And after we cleaned the floor, now we assemble all the wall plugs and plugs connection back. Not a big issue, but has to be done. First the frame, then we can take the cover, snapped in. It's opposite. I mounted it wrong, that's why it's not matching. 50-50 chance, yeah. And you make it wrong. Now, second try. Jimbo. Is it now the wrong one? No, should be. No, it's the wrong one. Huh? No. Should be the right one. Huh? No, it's different. Where do I have it? Too many covers. What it should be this one, or do I have another one? So that's the right one, huh? No. No, this is not matching. Oh, it's the wrong frame. Beep, beep. And it is. It's wrong frame. Need to sort it a bit better. So not so many choices, but of course you make it wrong. Here up. Written in Japanese, also okay. Took a bit longer, but check it. And clean the cover. Anyway, I will buy a new one because it's already not so nice, but it's okay. In the beginning, just to have it covered, how it looks nicely, neat. I need a break. Yeah. I really need a break. It's again a different one. So this is left side, right side is here. Yeah, made it.